about like when you're looking at candidates, what are you looking for? So I heard that sometimes you go on their social profiles and you're looking. So give us an example of something that would stand out as a good thing and maybe something that you don't want to see in a candidate.
You know, and looking at social media profiles?
Yes.
Well, I mean, look, who doesn't search, right? I mean, you're going to Google them, you're going to look wherever you can look, right? Wherever there's a search opportunity, we'll put a name, a company name, whatever it is, and we'll look at all the feedback. And sometimes it's just the little nuanced things, because it's never going to be a complete picture. But I mean, is the person nice? Believe it or not, that means a lot to me. You know, if I see you being the online, I'm not going to invest. You know, how do you interact with people? That tells me how you interact with your customers. You know, everybody, your personality starts to come out, because social media, even still, is at least a little bit social. You know, Twitter, on the other hand, is very telling in a different way. You know, there's that hierarchy now. You know, Snapchat, here's my selfie, I move on, right? Instagram are my prettier pictures. Facebook's for mom and family. You know, Twitter now is no longer a social media medium. It's a trolling, it's a PR newswire, you know, blast environment, but it's also a troll environment. So if I see you on Twitter trolling people, that's a huge indicator of what I'm going to be dealing with. And so there's this hierarchy in social media, and you try to pull all these pieces. You know, if you post on Yelp, if you post comments, if you post, you know, in different places where, you know, you might just be talking about a restaurant. How you review a restaurant says a lot about you. Now, do I go and look through Yelp for, you know, before I hire this person? Not always, but if I'm not sure, I will. Now, that may make me creepy, but that's the reality of where we are. And so, you know, if it's a big decision, you want as much data as possible. And it'd be just as crazy not to look at the data as it is to look at the data.